That's a big statement coming in from Virat Kohli. This was my last T20 game. Essentially, he's announced his retirement from T20. Big statement coming in from Virat Kohli talking about his retirement, essentially saying that this was my last T20 game. We will be, in fact, going across to my colleagues for more on that story in just a moment from now. I'll just check if Nitin, in fact, is with us. But an important statement. This was my last T20 World Cup and this is what we wanted to achieve. One day you feel you can't get it done, then things happen. God is great and I got the job done for the team on the day it mattered. Now or never, last T20 for India. Wanted to make the most of it. Wanted to lift the cup, wanted to respect the situation rather than force it. This was an open secret. It's time for the next generation to take over. Some amazing players will take the team forward and keep the flag waving high. Big story at this hour. After India clinches the World T20 Cup, Virat Kohli announces that he is retiring from T20. This was my last T20. Nitin Srivastava getting us more details. Nitin, in fact, he's gone on to even say in this statement, essentially, that this was an open secret. Are you surprised, really? Just get us more details on and more context as far as the statement from King Kohli is concerned.
Well, Sneha, I'm not surprised by the statement which has been made by Virat Kohli because, you know, when the team selection was about to held few months back, India Today had made a story, had done a story that it may be a last assignment for Virat Kohli and even for the captain Rohit Sharma. But now, officially, Virat Kohli has made it clear that this was his last assignment in the T20 format. See, there were a lot of times when he was questioned about his slow innings, but what Virat Kohli has done, it is phenomenal. He is the actually hero of today's India's win. He made it very contribution which was actually required when we were down 3-4 wickets and Virat Kohli was hitting the ball on the very right way, and he made it. He made it because of Virat Kohli's inning. We actually was able, to score 175 plus runs. But looking at the Virat Kohli's career, it was a phenomenal. He actually is an example for the upcoming, players, the aspirants in the cricket world, that how exactly Virat Kohli drove his career, how exactly Virat Kohli, built up his name in T20, in ODIs, or even in the Test cricket. So this is something really big news coming from Virat Kohli officially, that he will not be playing any T20 format match going forward. It is something really big and great. His fans will be, missing him in the shortest format of cricket. But of course, this is something really big statement from Virat Kohli.
Yes, Nitin, do get in a word from them as far as this announcement of Virat Kohli here is concerned. When India wins this crucial match, scripting history, Kohli says, I'm hanging my boots. This was my last T20 match.
Well, of course, and when I was doing the preview show, everyone wanted Virat Kohli to do so well for the Indian team, especially in this match. But again, India has won the T20 World Cup trophy, but their favorite player Virat Kohli, they will be they are going to miss Virat Kohli in the future matches in the shortest format. Virat Kohli ने बोल दिया है कि वो अब T20 format में नहीं खेलेंगे. आपको लग रहा था कि ऐसा कुछ announcement आ पाएगा? आप मिस करेंगे?
मिस तो करेंगे, मगर उन्होंने पहले 2-4 दिन पहले ही न्यूज़ में बता दिया था कि नए प्लेयर को मौका मिलेगा. 2026 में T20 वर्ल्ड कप होगा, उसके लिए नई टीम तैयार होगी, इसलिए नए प्लेयर को मौका मिलेगा. सही भी है, मगर हमें ओडीआई और टेस्ट में देखने को मिलेंगे, हमें इसलिए ज़्यादा गम नहीं है उसका.
ज़्यादा गम नहीं है, लेकिन T20 फॉर्मेट में जैसा उन्होंने आज खेला है, आपको लगता है कि विराट कोहली थोड़ी सी जल्दबाजी कर गए या ये राइट टाइम था?
आई थिंक दिस इज द राइट टाइम, क्योंकि उनका लास्ट टाइम अगर आपने सुना होगा तो ही हैज ऑलरेडी गिवन अ डिसीजन कि मेरा एक ऐसा मोमेंट है विच आई एम वेटिंग फॉर. आई थिंक दिस इज द राइट मोमेंट फॉर हिम एंड दिस कुडंट बी बेटर मोमेंट एनी for this particular ICC T20 World Cup. So I think this is a right decision for Virat Kohli. और youngsters काफी है, bench काफी है इंडिया का. I think someone will definitely come up with this place, but not that Virat Kohli का standard match तो नहीं कर पाएंगे, definitely that I am sure, but yes, there are many players which can
So basically he's given the way to the youngsters. So आपका क्या take है सर? आपको लगता है कि विराट कोहली will be missed in the T20 format और आप ये सोचेंगे कि नहीं कोई बात नहीं, मेरे पास ओडीआई और टेस्ट क्रिकेट है?
देखिए मिस तो करेंगे हम उनको, बट देन आई थिंक इससे ज्यादा बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी उनके लिए नहीं थी कि व्हेन ही कैन डिक्लेयर हिमसेल्फ दैट ही इज नॉट गोना प्ले फॉर एटलीस्ट फॉर 2020. सो इससे ज्यादा तो कोई प्लेटफॉर्म उनको मिलता नहीं.